So we are live. I'm here with Nathan, one of our Cost Plus Construction customers who's done multiple projects with our company. Nathan, thank you for hopping on.
Hey, no worries. Happy to.
I'm just going to ask you a few little things. You've got some people that are considering using our services, and we like to invite customers on, talk to them about their experience working with Cost Plus Construction. So let's just start there. Do you mind sharing how many projects have you worked on with Cost Plus Construction?
I've done 3 projects with Cost Plus here over the past probably about year.
Okay, and these were investment projects, correct? Fix and flips?
Yeah, all of them were bought market. 2 of them were kind of medium. Rehab 1 was pretty extensive.
Just in general, what was your experience working with our team? And I know there were some challenges and things like that, but just in general, what was your experience working with us? And then if you have comparisons to other contractors.
I think Cost Plus is the biggest fan part of Cost Plus would be Elijah comes out, he looks at the project, he runs through it, he has ideas, examples, different things to do maybe differently than I would have suggested at the beginning. And there's a very itemized, very detailed estimate that shows you exactly what they intend to do. If you want to make changes, you know what you want to scratch off from the beginning or stuff you want to add, you can get the cost estimated really well at the very beginning. So it's a realistic expectation. It's not, hey, let's start work and we'll figure out where to go from there. Let's change this, we're going to change what it costs every 2 weeks on you, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So I would say that the beginning snapshot was really transparent. Other thing I really enjoy is you're paying for what actually gets done. It's not like, hey, I need 75% of this up front. Hey, we're going to charge you weekly for the work that was actually performed. So you know exactly what you're paying for. You can see it with your own eyes as well. So I think that transparency part is kind of in the name as well. You're paying for what you get plus a premium that Grant and his team charge. So
going back to the scope of work, I remember when I first started working with contractors before I was even a contractor in construction, getting scopes of work, especially from the contractors that were using kind of the Xactimate estimating software. A lot of these insurance companies use it, and I didn't understand what was in the scope of work. There were words I didn't understand, the way it was structured. I'm like, I don't know what is going to be done here. I can't understand it. What am I going to be paying for? What's this even going to look like? So we spent a lot of time over the years just putting everything that we do where it's in layman's terms, so to speak, where it's really clear. Number one, understanding the line itemization of every single line, and then structured in a way too that makes sense. Because even some of our scopes of work, 200, maybe even 300 line items, and it's like reading a small novel. So we do our best. And so I appreciate you seeing the importance of that. And that means a lot to us. You can answer some of the other questions already of what stood out and our billing process. And so I really appreciate that. You would recommend Cost Plus Construction if anyone's considering. What are the reasons why someone would consider using Cost Plus Construction over your typical other contractor?
Well, I just used myself as a prime case study. It had been, 4 or 5 years since I had done a full rehab fix or flip, and I used you guys. And for me, hopping back in, having somebody who actually came out and did all the line item, that stood out to me because there were 2 of the guys who came out. One was a back of an envelope estimate that was written up real nice. That's sarcasm for everybody at home. And then the other one was in between. And when you actually break down to how you're paying, when you're paying, to me, it was very clear. I would think that whether you're a beginner or you've done a bunch of them, certainly as a beginner, the idea of exactly what you're paying for and you're paying for it as it goes along adds a ton of value. For the other people who've done a bunch of contractors you love and you don't mind being the GC, great, do them yourself. But if you don't want to be the GC, it still makes sense because you guys are getting pretty cheap rates for kind of some of the crazy work that certainly isn't worth your time to go out there and swing a hammer for those things.
And I appreciate that. And that does happen a lot where we will not get a job from a customer and they'll say, well, I'm going with so-and-so. Or we find out in hindsight a lot of times, hey, I went with so-and-so, and let's say it was $5,000, $10,000 cheap or whatever it was. And occasionally they will share that with us and we're like, well, it doesn't have this and it doesn't have this. And they'll say what was included. They said they would do it too. I'm like, but it's not in writing. What inevitably happens more times than not, at least, where that cheaper bid will end up being more expensive, either because they'll come back and bill them for things that weren't included or they thought were included, or just time and things like that. And we're not perfect, but we do try our best, I can tell you that much. And it all starts with the bid process, making sure we're comprehensive, that we have everything on there. So at least our customers, they have a really, really good picture of what this project is probably going to look like dollar-wise, and even, the scope of work. And so at least we're starting from a firm foundation. Construction, there's things that are going to happen. There's some headaches that we have to work through, but at least we have a good scope of work, which is our map to get us to where we want. And that's what we always say. We'll get to that final destination, maybe like a plane ride where there's some turbulence along the way, but we'll land that plane. Nathan, I really appreciate you coming on, sharing your experience with everybody. It means a lot to us. We appreciate your business and just wish you the best of luck in your future investment deals and your construction projects.
Hey, thanks, Brent. I appreciate it.
Thank you.